Welcome back to CarWow 787, where we delve into the latest innovations in electric mobility. Today, we're exploring a vehicle that's poised to revolutionize urban transportation, the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw. This electric rickshaw represents a significant leap forward in sustainable commuting, offering an eco-friendly alternative to traditional fossil fuel-powered rickshaws. Join us as we take an in-depth look at its features, performance, and the impact it could have on our cities. The Bijli Auto Rickshaw is designed with both the driver and passengers in mind. Its all-steel frame body ensures durability and safety, providing a robust structure that can withstand daily wear and tear. The front windshield is made of tempered glass and comes equipped with a wiper, ensuring clear visibility in various weather conditions. Inside, advanced leather seats offer comfort, making rides pleasant for both short trips and longer journeys. The high-grade leather carpet flooring adds a touch of luxury, enhancing the overall passenger experience. The dashboard is equipped with a combination instrument panel that includes an MP5/USB receiver, allowing drivers to enjoy music or receive navigation instructions. A battery capacitance meter and electricity indicator provide real-time information about the vehicle's power status, ensuring that drivers are always informed about their remaining range. The lighting system is comprehensive, featuring headlamps, steering lamps, back lamps, driving lamps, brake lamps, and an electric horn, all designed to enhance safety and visibility on the road. Under the hood, the Bijli Auto Rickshaw is powered by a 48V1000W brushless DC BLDC motor. This motor offers a balance between power and efficiency, making it suitable for urban commuting. The vehicle's maximum speed ranges between 50 to 70 kilometers per hour, allowing it to keep up with city traffic while maintaining energy efficiency. The rickshaw is equipped with a lead-acid battery known for its reliability and cost-effectiveness. Charging the battery takes approximately 7 to 9 hours, making overnight charging a convenient option for drivers. One of the standout features of the Bijli Auto Rickshaw is its impressive payload capacity. With the ability to carry up to 400 kilograms, it can comfortably accommodate up to 4 passengers, making it an ideal choice for public transportation. The vehicle's dimensions are 2,800 m in length, 1,000 in width, and 1,800 in height, providing ample space for passengers while remaining compact enough to navigate through congested city streets. The suspension system is designed to handle the challenges of urban roads. The front suspension features an inverted telescopic system, similar to those found in high-end motorcycles, providing a smooth ride over bumps and uneven surfaces. The rear suspension utilizes a link-tie coil spring system, ensuring stability and comfort for passengers. This combination allows the rickshaw to maintain a smooth and stable ride, even on less than perfect road conditions. Braking is a critical aspect of any vehicle's safety profile, and the Bijli Auto Rickshaw doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with drum brakes on both the front and rear wheels, offering reliable stopping power. The braking system is designed to be responsive, ensuring that drivers can confidently navigate through traffic and handle sudden stops when necessary. The tires are sized at 350/12, providing a good balance between stability and maneuverability. These tires are designed to offer a smooth ride while ensuring sufficient grip on various road surfaces. The vehicle's curb weight ranges between 400 to 500 kilograms, contributing to its stability and handling characteristics. In terms of environmental impact, the Bijli Auto Rickshaw stands out as a zero-emission vehicle. By utilizing electric power, it eliminates tailpipe emissions, contributing to cleaner air in urban areas. This aligns with global efforts to reduce pollution and combat climate change, making it a responsible choice for both drivers and passengers. The economic benefits of operating an electric rickshaw are also noteworthy. With lower fuel expenses due to the use of electricity instead of gasoline or diesel, drivers can significantly reduce their operating costs. Additionally, electric vehicles typically have lower maintenance expenses as they have fewer moving parts compared to internal combustion engine vehicles. This translates to reduced downtime and lower overall costs for operators. Charging infrastructure is a crucial consideration for electric vehicles. The Bijli Auto Rickshaw's battery can be charged at home or at dedicated EV charging stations. This flexibility ensures that drivers can conveniently recharge their vehicles, reducing the time spent off the road. As electric vehicle adoption increases, the availability of charging stations is expected to grow, further enhancing the convenience of operating an electric rickshaw. The design of the Bijli Auto Rickshaw also takes into account the need for customization and adaptability. Operators can choose from various configurations to suit their specific needs, whether it's for passenger transport or cargo delivery. This versatility makes it a practical solution for a wide range of applications, from urban commuting to last-mile delivery services. Safety features extend beyond the braking system. The vehicle's lighting system ensures visibility during nighttime operation, and the sturdy construction provides protection in the event of a collision. Additionally, the electric horn is an essential tool for navigating through busy streets, allowing drivers to alert pedestrians and other vehicles of their presence. The introduction of the Bijli Auto Rickshaw represents a significant step towards sustainable urban mobility. By providing an affordable, efficient, and environmentally friendly transportation option, it addresses many of the challenges faced by modern cities, such as air pollution and traffic congestion. Its adoption could lead to a reduction in greenhouse gas emissions and a shift towards more sustainable urban transportation systems. In conclusion, the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw offers a compelling combination of durability, efficiency, and environmental responsibility. Its thoughtful design and practical features make it a strong contender in the evolving landscape of urban transportation. Whether you're a driver looking for a cost-efficient vehicle or a passenger seeking a comfortable ride, the Bijli Auto Rickshaw presents a promising solution. Thank you for joining us on this in-depth exploration of the 2025 Bijli Auto Rickshaw. If you found this information valuable, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others who might be interested. Don't forget to subscribe to your channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest developments in electric mobility. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the Bijli Auto Rickshaw. Leave your comments below. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.